today. My hair looks like shit. Good morning. Can you guess what time it is? Well, if you don't have your watch on, let me tell you. We've got another Dinnerly unboxing today. Let's get into it. Okay guys, this is another Dinnerly unboxing. This is the first box of March that we have received. And if you're looking around, this is my dining room. You guys may have seen it in some earlier videos. It's much brighter outside because I'm actually doing this during the day. And we're at the dining room table because it's a lot easier to clean off than actually, like, you know, cleaning my kitchen, which I will be doing because we're going to get back into the kitchen later on this week. So let's get this thing open and unboxed, shall we? Got my big ass knife. Always cut away from you because, you know, safety and things. We're just gonna get this open. And ta-da. So of course, like my other videos, I'm going to show you what we got in the box, and then at the end of the video, I'll let you know what meals those items go to so that we can see what we're cooking. So let's get into here, shall we? All right, so first thing I'm seeing is more green onions. And if you guys have not seen what I do with my green onions, once I get them, I trim them a little bit so that some new sprouts can come up. And I actually have this pickle jar that I keep my scallions in. I probably clean out the jar once or twice a week, depending on kind of how gross the water gets. I think that needs to be done today. But I keep the shoots in here, and then when I need them, I just snip off what I need. And then I go in and I kind of trim them, keep them healthy. But I mean, like, there's a lot of roots. Because when you get them, they've got these itty bitty little root stems. But I just think it keeps better than, you know, having them in the fridge and then them going all, like, gross and nasty. But that's just me. That's just what I do. So that's where my scallions are going to go. The last couple boxes, the green onions have been real thick and real hearty, and I like that a lot because, I don't know, they're bigger, there's more, and you need less for that green onion flavor. Okay, so we've got some Mediterranean pita bread. That's exciting. Let's see, we've got green beans, which, interesting. I'm a little confused. I'll have to check the, because I've already written down what meals I'm getting. But like some of this stuff is different than what I thought I was going to be getting. So we've got green beans. We've got rice sticks, which is like a rice noodle. Eric and I actually had, from the last box that we got, we had the peanut chicken pad thai. It was really good, and it used these kind of noodles. All right, we've got whole peeled potatoes. Obviously, it says tomatoes on the can. I don't know why I can't read today. Anyway, whole peeled tomatoes. All right, so we've got 1 and 2 2 bags of penne, which I guess mine got a little ripped. That's the first time that that's ever happened, is I've had anything ripped or torn. It's no big deal. It's pasta. We've got a package of Italian seasoning. I love when they send the seasoning, because I don't use the whole packet. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I just dump the whole thing. Other times, if it says like, oh, you need half a teaspoon, I actually measure like half a teaspoon, and then I save the rest of the packet to put in my actual like spice jars. All right, here is self-rising flour. So, and it's already, again, it's already pre-measured, so I don't have to worry about that. Here are the corn tortillas that I knew we were going to get. The pita bread was a surprise. The flour and the rice sticks are also a surprise so far. Everything else is like shaping up to be what I was expecting out of the box. All right, our little divider. We've got our big old ice block. And I save these to put in the coolers for when we go grocery shopping, just to keep everything nice and cold. Here we go. We've got 8 ounces of chicken breast. We've got our tilapia fillets. I'm very excited about that. We've got oregano. We've got green enchilada sauce, which I'm guessing you can probably figure out one of the meals is going to be enchiladas. And then we've got grated Parmigiano Reggiano. We've got some more enchilada sauce. Another lovely, beautiful bulb of garlic. That is a gorgeous bulb of garlic. Very excited about that. We have some penne pasta sitting down here at the bottom. It's no big deal. Those can probably just go in the trash. We have panko breadcrumbs, which I was expecting. We've got a lemon. And we've got some shredded cheddar jack cheese. And make sure we've got another ice pack in here. Like I said, these ice packs are going to go into cold storage because you may as well reuse them. You can use them for camping, picnics, you know, if we can do that nowadays. But yeah, so that was it out of the Dinnerly box. I'm going to arrange these items that we have as best as I can because, again, I'm like a little confused because we were missing, from what I can see, broccoli. We were definitely missing broccoli from the tilapia meal. The pita bread and the rice sticks and the flour are items that I was not expecting. And I have a feeling that my box kind of got confused as it was being packed. So, but yeah, I'm going to put these items together as the meals that they are as best as I can. And we'll be right back. Okay, so I've separated out everything the way that they are for the meals. I did have the flour, the noodles, and the pita bread as extras, or they were put in there mistakenly. No big deal. I'll just contact Dinnerly today, send them an email, and see what happens, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. So besides those extra items, the only thing that we were missing really from the tilapia meal, and I have it written down here, the tilapia was oregano, the tilapia, lemon, the broccoli that we're missing. Luckily, I do have a head of broccoli already in my fridge, so I'll probably make this within the next day or so that that broccoli can be put to good use. And also garlic, which I will pass around because, again, that's a lot of garlic, and I have like a butt ton of garlic in my little container. So yeah, that was that meal. It is called the garlic butter tilapia with roasted broccoli. And the only thing I was missing was the broccoli. And again, this is the first time in the last like 2.5 years that this has happened, that something's been missing or that things have been added. I'm not mad about it. It happens. So there's that. And then the next one is going to be the chicken enchilada casserole. And we've got the scallions for that, garlic for that. We've got our enchilada sauce, our tortillas, shredded cheddar jack, and the chicken breast. I'm excited about that one. I love enchiladas. I like Mexican food just in general. Okay, and then our final meal is our rigatoni in roasted tomato sauce with panko breadcrumbs, which, again, are right here. And everything's portioned out and it's perfect. And also the green beans are on the side of that. So the green beans look good. They need to be trimmed and cooked, and no big deal. We've got our 2 packs of our penne, our Parmesan, our tomatoes, and our Italian seasoning go with that as well. So yeah, like I said, that's the first time that this has happened to a box where it's missing something or some things are added, a meal's not complete. Has never happened before. And you know what? It's no big deal. I'm not going to be mad about it. I have broccoli in the fridge, so that takes care of the one missing item. And then it's nice to have some extra stuff. So I'm going to have to do some research later on how I can just let them know that, hey, I was missing something. I got some extra stuff. No big deal. I've never had a problem with Dinnerly before. But everything looks really great. I'm really excited about the recipes that were in the box this week. Again, Dinnerly does not send the they don't send the recipes. You download the Dinnerly app, you scroll through, and each box has your list of meals. You click on the meal and it has the list of ingredients. It has the step-by-step instructions. Really simple, really easy. And it's got the nutrition in there too, so you always know what you're getting. It's got the macros. It doesn't have anything specific, just the macros. But yeah, this is not sponsored. It's never sponsored. And you know, I'm not bothered by that. I like Dinnerly. We really love getting our 2 boxes a month because it really helps out with grocery bills, because it sends us all the things that we need for it. And again, I'm not mad about it. But yeah, so I know that you guys like Dinnerly box unboxings because those are some of my top viewed videos. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the videos. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell if you'd like. And if you're subscribed, hit all videos so you never miss a chance of, you know, figuring out where we're going to be in the next video, whether it's in the kitchen or the dining room or, you know, in my car. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen on this channel? I don't, and it's my channel. It's just kind of like, whew. It's a surprise every time, and I hate surprises. But yeah, comment down below if you liked the video, if there's something else you'd like to see on the channel, any recipes you'd like me to try, or just tell me how I'm doing. Thumbs up, thumbs down. It's all your prerogative. And that's it for today. So you guys go and have a great rest of your week. Happy, you know, daylight savings and whatnot. That was a surprise last night with the time change, because, you know, we lose an hour during daylight savings, and that was not a good surprise. So yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you back in the kitchen next time. Bye!